So, this was actually one of my first projects as an intern on Rock Technologies, and this was a bit of like a trial or like a interview, a mock interview basically, where I was asked to uh, create a program that will rotate a log file. So what a log file is that it's a sort of file that records any output or error from any larger program, and it's always good practice to keep a log file. Now the problem is the programs that they were using involved log files that had thousands and thousands of output, and they didn't really need all the old output, so they wanted to automate the rotation of the log files rather than manually rotating it. So what I did was I created what I call a log file rotator that, given if the log file in question increase as exceeds the max file size and the max number of logs at a time, then it will start rotating, meaning it'll create a new log file and keep the old one as a backup, and after a while it'll start deleting backups too. So what I did here was, first I uh, got my config parser that will grab the data from the property file I showed earlier from the .ini file. Then I set up the handler and stored the data into variables. Then I opened the file, and then I read it and counted the number of lines, which is what this does. Then I calculated the size, and lastly, if it exceeds a certain amount, like a certain lines of file size, and then it will perform a rollover. So I'll just demonstrate this, where I'm just logging some warnings on here. And if I run this a couple times, first time it ran here. So if I just keep running it, oops, I ran the wrong one. Keep running it like so. It keeps creating new log files, and after a while, the old log files will get deleted, and you get new log files. So yeah, that's what my project does. This was a pretty simple project, and it's kind of like a tryout or like a trial for my internship, but I thought I would like to show it, even though it's not extremely complex or anything, but it was still very fun to do, and I had fun making this. So I really want to show this. Yeah, thank you.